mhlawumbe unengane, mhlawumbe unendoda, mhlawumbe unentombi, unkosikazi noma ingoduso, mhlawumbe unomngani, mhlawumbe unobhuti, mhlawumbe unosisi nje ono line 3 kwi-chat lakhe. Ngisho ngamtshela ukuthi angakwenzi lokho, uyomthola esekwenzile. Labo bantu bafunda ngawe impela amaphutha, kuba ngathi bayakuzwa kodwa bazoyenza lento le akade uthi wena bangayenzi. That's the nature of their energetic configuration. That's the way they are. They learn by experimenting. They learn through a trial and error. Ngisho ngazama ukuthi uyazivikela, akasazitholi ekuma trial and error situation, kodwa uzozithola esekhona lapho futhi. Akakhomithi nasentweni eyodwa futhi. Kade nalabo abangani usenalabo, kade nalo umsebenzi usenalo, kade enza lokho usenza lokho. Abakhomithi. That's the nature of who they are ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelele u-changes akasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani, kunoma ubani, ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya, ungatatazeli, uyabona. Banjalo nje mfethu. Esengisho ukuthi ungazi uzicrack ikhanda uthi kodwa lengane ayizwa, yazi. Mi uline 3 nje kudaliwe lokho. Bafunda kanjalo nje Nkosi yami. Kade enza lokhu usenza lokhu, kade enza le cause usenza le cause. Abuye angabe satisfied ama decisions awathathe yena, angabe satisfied wona, yabo. Aphinde awa second guess even eseyakokunye, gcine senayo lento yokuthi nalokho mhlawumbe vele ngeke uze kulunge, nalokho vele ngeke uze kulunge. It's either kugaina i-wisdom lapho ne-resilience ne-courage, ngoba as more enza ama-mistakes engawathathi njenge-failure but awathathe njengokuthi I have figured out ukuthi yini engasebenzi, yabo. So meze ukuthatha ngokuthi izinto ayilungi, yila khona e-development ethu yi-pessimism njalo nje ukuthi meyentweni uyazi yena ukuthi vele nje mina nginje ngeke ilunge nalento vele, nayo vele ngisazoyiyeka vele. Akufuneka kubuye kanjalo line 3 ukuthi uyafaila, akabuke ngokuthi ufigurisha out ukuthi yini engasebenzi, ngoba iyona ndlela afunda ngayo yena empilweni yakhe le. Trial and error. They are not here to take your word for what they are. That is why I said ngisho ngamtshela kodwa uzomthola esekhona lapho futhi. Hayi kanye sangaphinda phinde futhi the same mistake, ngoba they are here for a trial and error. They don't even know ukuthi yini lento abayifaka kuyona. Abazi nanokuthi yini lento abayifaka kuyona. And bayashesha uku-adapta. Ba-adapta, ba-flexible. Abazi kodwa ukuthi yini lento abayifaka kuyona. Sobona khona mentality, hayi sobona khona, yabo. Boom. Either kuyasebenza noma akusebenzi. Line 3 ke lo. So don't beat yourself up mangabe uyi-line 3. Noma bona bengakujaja abantu, ungavunzi bekujaja, ungagcina usuba umuntu osenaleyo pessimism nje, yabo, ngezinto. Ngoba it's like ubona ngathi awukho perfect, ubona ngathi usuyahluleka, ubona ngathi usuyagcogcoma. Hayi, it's the way you are mfethu. Asingakujudge nawe ngendlela oyiyona, yabo, asingakujudge. So lokho ukubona ukuthi uline bani mawunalo i-chart, uye wakwalivula i-chart ukuthi uline bani. Muno line 3 nje lapho, funda through i-trial and error mfethu, uzama lokhu ayizwa lonto. So angazi ukuthi ke khona engushiyayo ngo line 3, but I think ilokho kubalekile, lokho compassion, ukuthi bane compassion ngawo. Don't take things as failure, take them as lesson. Yeah, ne commitment, yazi ukuthi you don't commit to one thing. We are here to explore mfethu, we are here to explore, yabo. So that's what we are here for. I-bonus tip ke ngifuna ukushaya ngayo ke before ngiqede le video le, ile ukuthi ke uma kungenzeka ukuthi wena mhlambe uno gates 49, mhlambe upartner wakho noma umngani wakho, noma abazali bakho noma oyedwa wabo, whoever nje usondela kuwena oyi-tribe yakho, mhlawumbe uno-gate 19 on the other side, wena uno-gate 49 on the other side. Makuwukuthi kwi-relationship, wena uqala, wena uno-gate 49 oyo-initiate lento ye-divorce, chances 80% wena oyo-initiate i-divorce, wena uno-gate 49, wena o-initiate i-divorce. Masikhuluma ngali kamathandana, uma ngabe sikhuluma ngali ye-friendship, wena oyiqeda i-friendship, wena oyiqeda i-friendship. Masikhuluma ngeyasekhaya, wena obahlaluka nje. Yindaba ubonani, yindaba kube kanjani. Angithi 49 it's the gate of principles. Ubona sengazi ukuthi they don't succumb to your principles. Ama principles akho ngathi are violated, so you decide to reject them, yabo. Kanti u-19 on the other side, wona uthi ufuna ukwenza ama-connections because ufuna ukuthi kube khona i-connection, ama-emotional needs abe met, physical needs abe met, yabo, and emotional and spiritual needs, yabo. U-19 ufuna leyo connection, being supported and making connections, yabo, ngoba i-tribal vele u-19 ke leyo. Angithi yabona ukuthi u-19 ufunani, ufuna leyo support, ufuna leyo ma-connections, ufuna leyo ma-basic survival needs to be met. So manje ke angithi yabo ukuthi lento u2 yakhe i-channel, channel of sensitivity. U-19 uba sensitive kuma-basic needs, but u-49 ngala yena uthi ama-principles need to be met nje first, ukuze kuzoba ukuthi kukhona i-connection ebakhona, noma kukhona ukugcineka kwey'dingo zakho. If you come there, I have my own principles and you have to succumb to them. Kuyenzeka-ke abanye abano-49 thola ukuthi they just cut you from their word go nje, they don't want anything to do with you, without ukuthi nje kuze kube khona ama-principles nani wagqibayo, they just cut you off nje. Kwenzeke futhi uthola ukuthi u-49 athi okay, let us come with your principles, I come with my principles, let us make this thing work. If it doesn't work, we part ways, yabo. So it's just a different expression nje of energies. Yeah, bekithi akusherele lokho, impilo ayiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona.